Vinyl siding is an exterior cladding for existing structural walls. Vinyl siding should always be applied over some type of backer board, never to uncovered stud walls. In new construction projects, OSB or plywood is commonly used. In some areas, it is acceptable to use a solid foam board as backer board. In this case, siding must be nailed directly into the wood studs. Siding must always be nailed directly into the framing stud or furring, unless the manufacturer's instructions provide different fastening methods. Walls should be covered with a water-resistive barrier such as house wrap, roofing felt, or other products if allowed by the building code. Use a water-resistive material to flash the inside and outside corners a minimum of 10 inches on each side. Water-resistive materials include trim coil, roofing felt, or house wrap. In most residing projects, panels are attached to existing wood siding. To prepare the walls, nail down any loose boards and replace all rotten wood. Using foam backer board to level the wall surface is suggested. For all projects, remove protrusions such as gutters and light fixtures. Before you apply anything to the walls, let's review fastener choices, fastening techniques, and tools. For fasteners, you can use aluminum, galvanized steel, or other corrosion-resistant nails, staples, or screws. There are several important rules to remember regarding proper fastening techniques. Unless otherwise indicated, nail in the middle of nail slots. Be sure to drive nails straight and level to prevent distortion and buckling of the panel. Make sure the fastener penetrates a minimum of 3/4 of an inch into framing studs or furring, unless the manufacturer's instructions provide different fastening methods. Never nail tight, since vinyl siding panels expand and contract slightly with weather changes. And always leave a gap of approximately 1/32 of an inch between the fastener head and the vinyl siding, or about the thickness of a dime. If a nail slot does not allow centering of the nail, use a nail hole slot punch to extend the nail slot. Common vinyl siding installation tools you will need include tin snips, a nail hole slot punch, a snaplock tool, and a ziplock tool. The next step in getting started is establishing chalk lines for the corner posts and the top of the starter strip, which locks the first row of siding. Chalk lines can be located level with the lowest point to be sided or aligned with an existing soffit.